Hi guys, I'm Carsa Cardeen and today I'm taking you guys to see this beautiful, stunning, modern 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath located in Southwest Ranches.
Front door, when you walk in, you are greeted by the dining room area, I guess. That's what this is. You have two sitting area. So one to your right, overlooking the pool. This is a great picturesque window. And then this will be your second sitting area, also supported by massive windows that allows you to see your entire backyard, well, most of your backyard. And obviously you have a summer kitchen outside. And this is a well use of a 2.acre lot, if you really think about it, because you still have ample room on the right side of the house for whatever that you want to do. If you wanted to build a garage for your car, because for your car collection, you could do that. You could put a tennis court there. So you have the space. And then right here is your kitchen. Massive island. You have a mixture of black cabinetry with wood grain. And your appliances are monogram, and you have a Zephyr hood vent, and then your fridge is also hidden behind the cabinetry. And then here you have half a bathroom, and you have some bedrooms. So all the bedrooms are supported by their own bathroom, as you can see. Standing shower. So you have at least a 12-foot ceiling here, which makes the house easy to cool because, as you know, heat rises. So those are the windows, and that's the view you get. Again, on the second bedroom, you have your closet. You have another standing shower here. And there's a door that leads to outside if you need to exit this particular bedroom. So I'm gonna walk back to the kitchen area. The master is situated, I believe, on the other side of the house. So again, here you have another massive window that exposes, the greenery of the house. Laundry room right here. You have ample of cabinetry for the laundry. And if I'm not mistaken, this door should lead you, oh no, actually, yeah, this door leads to the garages. So you have a 3-car garage. So this is how you could also enter the house through the garage door. And then if we come out here again, the master is on the other side, right? And then what is this, 4-bedroom? 4. Okay, so the 2-bedroom were on this side, like I pointed out to you. So the master is on the opposite side of the house. The master overlooks the pool and also the summer kitchen. So this is a gratuitous size master. I would say this looks like maybe over 20 feet, 30 feet. It's really big. Sitting area. So as you enter the master bathroom, you are greeted by a soaking tub. You have one sink right here, and you have the water closet. So basically this would be his sink, and this will be her sink, obviously, because you have the sitting area for makeup. And then you have 2 closets on each side, his and hers. I think they're about the same size, so no one is gonna feel left out. And then the last bedroom is going to be where, Carsa? So this is the last bedroom. It is actually, you could use that as an office, because again, you have access to the yard from here. So if somebody was meeting you, you didn't want them inside of your house, they could enter through here. Or if not, you could leave it as a bedroom. And of course, it's supported by its own bathroom. And its own closet. So this is the house in a nutshell. $3.7 million in Southwest Ranches. Oh, let me give you a sense of the yard when you come in. So when you come in, obviously, you have your electric gates. So you just put your code in there, gates open, so it's fully secured. And then this is the house, basically. And then you have your 3-car garage, and then you have some additional parking on this side. The house already has its own security. It's wired for more security if you want. And just to give you an idea of what the land feels like, you could turn this into a pond if you really want to. It's not hard to do in Southwest Ranches. The house is on its own well water septic system, so you don't have to have utility servicemen on your property if you don't want to. And this is a view of the side of the house, and I showed you the other side. So again, 3.7, newly constructed, great home. And if you have any question, let us know. We'll be more than happy to make this happen. Thank you for watching.